Looking for a home with horse property, space, a basement, something that has it all? Welcome to 39791 North Country Lane. Inside, you'll find a cozy family room with a fireplace, plantation shutters, and spacious bedrooms. The kitchen offers beautiful cabinets, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. You'll love the main bedroom, boasting patio access and an ensuite with double sinks and a floor-to-ceiling tiled shower. The always popular basement offers a spacious living area, a bedroom with a bathroom, and a wet bar. Stepping out to your backyard, you'll find a gorgeous pool surrounded by professionally designed landscaping, built-in fireplace, and an extended covered patio perfect for entertaining. The equestrian amenities feature 2 large pastures, 6 covered stalls, a tack room, RV hookups, and a hay barn. This is a true rare find in one of the most desired horse property communities around. For more information on this home, call me Amanda Pinkerton at 480-235-1377 and follow along to my social media sites, Amanda Pinkerton, Arizona Realtor.